It's a mail time. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. So, another day, another mail time. This box comes from Adidas. I'm not for certain what's in this box. However, I do have an idea of what's in this box. So we're gonna get into this unboxing and we're gonna just check it out. So, as I thought, this is the Adidas Pod S3.1, which is Adidas's brand new silhouette that they're pushing out. A little background on the Adidas Pod system. This was originally based off of a 90s system that Adidas had for their runners. The Pod system, or pointer deflection system, is based on the bridge, and that allows the shoe to maintain stability while also giving you some extra cushion on the forefoot with the EVA sole and on the heel with the Boost sole. Of course, the 90s versions didn't have the Boost sole. This is basically a reimagining of those 90s silhouettes. So taking a look at the box, it's the standard blue Adidas box, the blue box with the white 3 stripes. And the colorway is core black and footwear white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a textile upper with the 3 stripes detailing on the side. And you have, like I said, the EVA and Boost sole. The toe is all black and this is a textile upper. The tongue features the same material as the upper does, so it's that textile knit upper. But around it for the eyelets, you have the nylon material. And on the lateral side, it says Pod S3.1. The insole is black with the Adidas logo and the S3.1 branding. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the knit upper along with the 3 stripes branding. And like I said before, you've got the nylon overlay with the Pod S3.1 branding. For the heel, you've got the black knitting wrapping around the shoe, as well as the suede overlay and the Adidas branding on the little strap. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the black knitted upper along with the 3 stripes branding, but you don't have the Pod branding on the nylon overlay. The shoe features a combination of EVA and Boost for the midsole. Both of them are in white, and the outsole is black with the torsion pod system separating the forefoot and the heel, and you've got a black rubber outsole. This is actually a really clean shoe. I haven't done any running in it, but the way that the shoe molds around your foot, you have the forefoot and the heel, feels comfortable for the foot. Also, shout out to Adidas for sending me this shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Adidas Pod S3.1 hits Adidas retailers and Adidas.com on August 2nd for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.